Hey, welcome everyone to Trade with Rob, brought to you by wealthbuildershq.com. This update is for Wednesday, December 18th, 2024. Hope you're having a good day, and I hope it has been a great trading day for you. Keep in mind that everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find something you like, make sure it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. All right, so I want to start off first with yesterday, DKS. All right, so this was the only one of the candidates that went off today. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm going to zoom out so you can see the entire Fibonacci here, and then we'll bring it back in. And we made a move up there today. We gapped up and we pulled back. How did we pull back on a 5-minute? Let's look, see. So we made the move up, we pulled back, and we bounced. Perfect. Perfect setup. I love that setup, the pullback. I'm not a breakout trader, so I never would have taken it on that. You could have, that's okay. It just doesn't suit my risk profile or risk tolerance, right? So if we look at the numbers today then, on DKS, we got in about 224. We got out at 225.5 right near the very end of the day, just before I started this video. The market just closed up about 4 minutes ago from right now. So we're up $108, winning trade, ding, 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 winner, winner, chicken dinner. So we're up 13,959 from June 25th. We've got 66 candidates in total, 52 winners, 11 went against us, 3 were break evens. We're at $211.50 per trade on average, and that's for all 66, not just the winning trades, for a total of $13,959.24 for the year to date. All right, and when I say year to date, it's really from June until now. And it's really from July because it was the end of June, 25th. So let's go back to a daily chart, and let's start off next with the S&P 500. All right. So on the S&P 500, we are still in the rectangle. We did fall down into a bullish neutral bias right now. We're below our 8 moving average, yet we're above the 21, but we're in the rectangle. So until we break the rectangle, I don't really have a whole lot of fear of anything right now. So we're looking at that 6007 is our next downside target, and 6060 is our next upside target. All right, first candidate for the day is ARM, A-R-M. Arm yourself. Get ready, baby. It's a coming. So I like the pattern. I like where we are right now. We've had a nice climb over the last couple of weeks. Pushed up to that 157 and pulled back, right? So what I'm looking at here is, in an ideal world, I'd love to see the bullish move, right? So pull back to the 142 and change. Actually, we probably need to go up a little bit first, then pull back, and then take off, right? We're looking at 155 and 3/4, half, whatever, as resistance. So our target's going to be about 153, 152, 153, somewhere in there. Stops just below support. And for our downside, fail, retest, and drop. Support is at 131.46. My target's going to be about 133, 134, somewhere in that range. Stop just on the other side. I like it. Good setup. I love that we've got bi-directional on this, which is what the trade is meant to be. And most of the time is. Today, number 2 is Deer, D-E. Deer, oh dear, oh dear. So I like the bullish. Let's get out of that first. Let's get rid of that so we don't mess that up. Okay. I like the bullish move first. So pull back to the 442, bounce. 451 is resistance. My target's going to be right about 448, 449, somewhere in that range. Stop just down below support. And on the downside, fail, retest, and drop. We've got support at 431. We're looking at 433, 434, somewhere in that range. Is going to be my target on the downside. My stop will be just on the other side of the 442.30, right? And hey, if you really want to learn the mechanics behind this, guys, I've done a full training video on this. It is housed in the members area for trading for Trade with Rob. You can find it on tradewithrob.com. You can find it on tradinglikeaboss.com. I'll leave a link down below. If you do register for it, it is free. You get access to that training. On top of that, you also get access to not only the candidates from today, which are 3, of course, but I have 18 in total. So there are 15 you're never going to see, right? We will send those out to you and say, hey, here's the new ones. For everybody that's registered, you get all of them each day, even on days that I don't decide to send a video out, too busy, can't get to a computer. I've got candidates already picked out. It's just a matter of getting them out to you. You'll get candidates those days as well, right? So ELV is our last one. Nice gap down, right? Let's see. Let's bring this in a little bit. And I think I want to just scrunch this that way a little. Just let's get it up and out of the way so we can see the fib lines better. Okay. So downside is my preference here. Small move down, retest, and fail. Right? We're going to take the trade right off of that 367. Support is at 355. Target's about 357, maybe 358, somewhere in there. Stop just on the other side. Right? As far as the upside target goes, we definitely have more room there. Move up, pull back, and bounce. Right? Take the trade on the bounce. Your stop would be set just below 367.5. Resistance is at 382 3/4. My target right about 382. 380, not 382. 380, 379, somewhere around that range is where you're looking at there. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great rest of your day. See you all on the next update. Bye for now.